Peace, guys. Welcome back to ZENSFXHUB, where macros and markets are simplified. In this video, I just want to give you guys some chart work, give you guys an update on what trades I have open right now, what I'm looking at, and just give you guys an overall update because I feel like most of the videos I've been posting have been just about like the macroeconomics and the fundamental side of things, and I don't really show the chart. So I just want to give you guys an update so you guys see where I'm at right now. Peace, guys. So I'm doing a free live event February 3rd at 12 p.m. on how to trade gold and silver, how to find some good quality setups, how I'm scaling in, and the most important thing, what moves the price of gold and silver. I'm gonna break all that down in simple terms. This is gonna be a great event, very informative. So if you wanna know how to capitalize, get your profits looking like this, or like this, or like this, then this event is for you, okay? Again, it's free. All you have to do is click that link in this video and you'll be able to RSVP and you'll get the link. So I see you guys there. Peace. Stay warm. It's bricked. So when it comes to gold, I do have trades open on gold. So the trades that I opened, that the chart work that I showed you guys before in my other video, I did have gold buys here. I had gold buys here, and then I had a gold buy here as well. Those trades are closed right now because I wanted to request a payout. Imagine if I would have held these trades though. Look at where we are. Like it's just insane. It's just insane. Like imagine if I would have just held from here and here to where we are right now. But it's cool. Like that's the whole point of us trading, right? If you are funded or you're looking to get funded, if you're up $2, $3, $4, $5,000, close your trades and take it out. Enjoy your money. Buy things that you need. Buy things that you want. You know what I'm saying? Like enjoy. That's the whole point of us showing up to the charts and busting our ass every single day is so that we can make money off trading and like fund our lifestyle. So that's what I did. I decided to take a payout. It was a nice payout, the biggest payout I got so far in my trading career, and I used that to buy things that I need, and I reinvested in ZENSFXHUB, my business. So a lot of things coming that you guys don't know, but you guys will see, I promise. So I actually was able to get in for a trade, and I got in for a trade based on 4-hour structure. Obviously I got in, like I told you guys, I trade super simple. A break of structure, a retest back to that what structure was broken, enter on a higher low or lower higher, depending on if I'm buying or selling, and looking for accumulation zones. That's it. Those 4 things. I'm in the markets or I'm out the markets. Okay. So I entered on this higher low that we had forming, and then that was the only trade that I took. And I took this trade on my 100K challenge, which I'm currently funded, and I have another account that I'm not going to disclose how much the account is, but I'm currently working on another funded another prop challenge, and I don't know when I'm going to disclose how much it is. I don't know what I'm going to do as far as like not advertising it, but like promoting it or whatever case may be. If I'm going to show how I got funded, like every step, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I just know that I'm not going to say the amount just yet. I just want to work on it and accomplish this big goal that I set out for myself. So what I could see, what I would want to see on gold for another possible opportunity. Now again, this is just me being optimistic. I still do think that we are getting pullbacks on gold and silver. I put this up on Threads. It got a lot of love on it because I gave my predictions. Obviously, my prediction was wrong because I felt like once we get to $5,100 an ounce, I thought we was going to see a correction, and then to 45, maybe $4,600 an ounce, and then being able to buy from there and taking it to 6,000. But look at where we are. We have $5,500 an ounce. So that we didn't get that correction, and then I feel like we're gonna get a steeper correction on silver. I still feel this way, guys. I still feel like we're going to get a steeper correction. I'm sorry, I do. As of right now, though, I'm gonna trade what the market is presenting, and and that's it. And then what's really saving me right now and allowing me to make money is my risk management. I know that we're gonna get a steeper correction. I know that at some point it's just a matter of when. So why would I put all my eggs in one basket when I know I could put my eggs in a basket at a cheaper price? You know what I'm saying? So as of right now, I'm risking very low and very properly, and I'm scaling in as the market move. So I will want some maybe, like I said, maybe optimistic. If we get a pullback here or pull back here, that would be nice. But if not, going back to the 4-hour structure, which it seems like most of my trades is coming from, if we can, if we make a top right here, and then like present another higher low. So if we do something like this, you know what I'm saying, then shoot up, then obviously I will buy at this higher low right here. So waiting for a retest, maybe here or here. If not a higher low, I will get in on that higher low. Same thing with silver. Um, so when it comes to silver, right? Same thing. Like 4 hours, 4 hour time frame is where I'm getting in for my trades. Cause the daily time frame, if I'm waiting on daily structure and accumulation zones and break a retest, I'm gonna be missing out on plays. So I got in on silver on a higher low, and I got in on this higher low, and then I was aggressive with this trade, got in here because I felt like it was gonna form a higher low, and I still do. As of right now, though, we are struggling to, we wicked above, this last previous high that we made, so it's possible that it could respect it and then shoot down and hit my stop loss, and I take a small loss, which is fine. But if we do get like a nice strong break above, like a candle like this or a candle like this, then I will be waiting for a retest, and then I will buy from here, and then a continuation. If not, if the market decides to shoot all the way up, presents a higher low for me, I'm gonna get in on that higher low. And that's just, it's just that simple, right? And the reason why I feel like silver might continue to push up before we get a deeper correction is because of this video right here that I just posted literally 23 minutes ago. If you guys watch this video, you would understand why silver shot up this week the way it did and what to expect next. Please go check that video out. Please. All right. So gold and silver, still bullish on, just being mindful and risking properly, and just keeping myself ready for the bigger pullback so I can buy and invest a little bit more at a cheaper price. If you guys watched this video right here when I gave you guys my market outlook on all the pairs that I'm going to be trading for 2026, I told you guys that I was waiting for a break below like 155 on UJ before, I was looking to enter, and we got the break below. So I went ahead and entered. I got in on both accounts. I got in on my funded in my phase my two-step challenge account. And so yeah, I got in on UJ. We broke structure, which I was looking for, and again, I'm super super uh, um, bearish on UJ this year, right? And unless things in the head not the headlines and the fundamentals in the macroeconomics, if those things change, then obviously my bias would change. But as of right now, everything is still in alignment. So I was very confident pulling on this trade. So I am on sales. I mean, it's still a good entry. Like if you watch this video and the market is still around here, I would say, it's still a good entry, a pretty good entry to enter if you want to, not financial advice, but, if you are, make sure you're risking properly. So, buys on gold and silver, sells on UJ. EU broke above my range box. This wasn't the original one I had, but I put this here for the video. We broke above the range box. Now, when it comes to EU, I have to wait to see what this wants to do, right? Because it could easily this could just be a scary ass wick, and then we come back down and we just trade within this range. So I'm just really being on the sidelines right now with EU. I'm not even gonna be on some shit like, yeah, a retest, and then because it can come down here. I'm thinking it's retesting, and then it come back in its range. Now, if it does come here and I start to see like little higher highs and higher lows forming on the lower time frames, then I'll enter small risk, and then I'll scale in a little bit more as the market shoots up and give me another higher low to enter on. So as of right now, just being patient, not forcing and not rushing anything. I'm just really flowing right now with trading, letting the markets come to me. EJ still looking for a break. Just same thing with UJ. Waiting for the break below, and then like a retest, and then once we get that break, then I'll enter on sales on here. If not, then I'm just gonna leave it how it is and just see what it wants to do. And again, the fundamentals and the macroeconomics have to change in order for me to change my bias from bearish to bullish. And CJ, I'm not looking at CJ at all. It's just it's. Do you see this fucking chart? No. All right, so that's pretty much it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick update on how I'm doing and what I'm in and what I see happening in the future. So if you are gonna if you are gonna take my advice and take these trades, make sure you're risking properly. And again, this is not financial advice. This is just me sharing my thoughts and my opinions about the markets and sharing the things that I'm in. All right. So like I said, guys, please check out this video. If you haven't watched any of these videos, check out these videos. I'm telling you, they're very informative and they can really help you a lot with your trading. Everything that's in these videos is what's allowing me to get the biggest payout that I got so far in my career, and to be able to be confident when I press buy and sell in these markets. All right. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.